Okay, today we are doing our phonics test. Okay, make sure you write your name on this. Very first thing you always do, write your name. And then number 1, it says, write the special sound in the words your teacher says. Okay, I'm going to read the words. You write the special sound in that word. Okay, the first word, listen for the special sound. First word, stop, stop, stop. Stop. Okay, on to the next one. The word is cash. 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 Write the special sound in cash. Cash. Okay, the next one, write the special sound in the word say. 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 Write the special sound in the word say. The next one, the word is plus. Pull us. Pull us. Plus. Write the special sound in the word plus. Next, your word is smile. 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 Write the special sound in the word smile. The last one in section 1 is the word go. Write the special sound in the word go. Go. Okay, number 2, write the blend you hear in the words your teacher says. Circle the special sounds, mark the vowels. Make sure you circle the special sounds and mark the vowels even after you write the blend, because if you don't, it's going to be wrong if you don't circle special sounds and mark vowels, okay? Make sure you do that. Okay, the first word that you're going to write is race. Race. The next one is fish. Fish. Write the blends. The first one was race. The second one is fish. You're writing the blend. The next one, pack. Pack. Write the blend in pack. Okay, the next one, you're going to write the blend you hear in seed. Seed. You're writing your blends on number 2. Make sure you mark those vowels, guys. I'm going to say the words one more time. The first one on number 2 was race, then fish, pack, and seed. Now you're going to write the word that I say. And it doesn't say on your paper to mark special sounds and vowels, but I do want you to. Mark your special sounds and vowels, please. Okay, the first word I want you to write is swim. 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 Mark your vowels and special sounds. Okay, the next one, I want you to write the word cross. Cross. Okay, that one you write the whole word, circle special sounds, mark vowels. And remember, when you write this word, remember your floss rule with doubling the consonant at the end. So, cross. Special sound, vowel, floss rule. Cross. Okay, the next one is twig. 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 Write the word, circles, special sounds, mark your vowels. Twig. And the last word is smile. Smile. Mark your special sounds and vowels. Smile. So we had swim, cross, twig, and smile. Okay, down to number 4. Draw 3 lines under letters that should be capitalized. Place a period at the end of each sentence. So these are all declarative sentences. And we know the rules on what should be capitalized. So draw 3 lines under the letters that should be capitalized and place a period at the end of each declarative sentence. Okay, now turn over onto the back to page 6. Back here, this is our oral phonics part. So on number 5, it says read 1 row across. I would like for you guys to read the 4th row. You should be able to read these words within 6 seconds of when you see them. So you can't look at it super long. So that 4th row, read that. And send me a video of your child reading that 4th row. Thank you.